Hello. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. This is the last video of the year and the first video of the year because last video of 2022, first video of 2023. Okay, we're doing both. Now listen, we're doing a DIY for our wall. Yes, I wanted to match the back black wall painted in the room. So we're going to be putting some little crystals all over this wall hanging, and it's going to be cute when we're done. So check it out. All right, so here is our little wall hanging. I found these at Burlington for $20 each. I have two of them. That's going to be going on the back wall in my room in the hallway. So I'm going to be using some E6000 glue. You guys know that's one of my best friends is E6000 glue. That's what I made my mirror shoes with. If you haven't seen my mirror shoe video, check it out. Just type in mirror shoes in my little search and you will see what I'm talking about. So we're just gonna put some glue on here sporadically in different places. I'm kind of making a pattern, but I'm kind of not. And we're gonna glue all these on there and I'll show you how that looks when we're all done. So here's the first piece on the wall. Like I said, this is the back of the wall in my master bedroom. So I'm at the end of the wall. So here's all the bling on the little leaves. I just really wanted to add some texture. All right, so you guys, next I needed to make a picture and I wanted to make sure I utilized some of the fabric that I used to make the pillows in my master bedroom. I'm probably going to use the fabric several places as well for covering a book and maybe some hangbacks for my curtains. So I bought the fabric at Joann's and I think it's really beautiful. So I'm going to be using this to cover up the little piece of paper that is on the back of the frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and place my picture in the middle of the frame and hang it up on the wall. And this picture may not be staying, it's just what I have. It was the one that was up there previously, so I'm going to go ahead and place it up there and we'll see how it turns out. I'm excited, you guys. I love to make things custom for my home. I just like things to match, so this is what we got. All right, you guys, so this is the back wall, the hallway, the back hallway in my room. As you can see, we place one of the blinging little pieces at the top. We then place the picture in the middle. Again, that actual picture may not stay, but the picture frame itself will definitely reside in this spot. And then we added another one at the bottom against that back background. It's really, really nice. I still have to paint my little toilet room and I'm still working on finishing my bathroom, but it came out good. So that is our quick DIY for the day. You guys know I have a lot of work to do on this master bedroom, and I'll be bringing you along with me this year, along with a lot of other projects. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps, stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.